Manufacturing is changing worldwide. Precision and technology now define leadership. Manufacturing contributes approximately 16% to India's GDP. The vision is to grow this to 25%.
Vibrant Gujarat drives this transformation, playing a key role in India's manufacturing output with more than 30 industrial clusters across the state. The backbone of manufacturing industries, Jyoti CNC Automation Limited powers precision manufacturing, driving India towards becoming a developed nation by 2047 and strengthening a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. Micron-level accuracy, built in India, trusted globally.
Complex manufacturing needs advanced machining. Huron Grafenstaden delivers world-class 5-axis precision. Smart manufacturing improves productivity by 20 to 30%. Efficiency, accuracy, reliability.
You are cordially invited to be part of the future of manufacturing. Join us at the Vibrant Gujarat Regional Conference, 11th to 15th January 2026, Marwadi University, Rajkot.
Experience how innovation, precision, and engineering excellence are shaping manufacturing, from vibrant Gujarat to the world.